What are the 5 best home renovations that you could do now as a homeowner when you're thinking about selling your home in the near future? Hi, I'm Tanja, Odzak, eXp Realty, and I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. As a homeowner that's looking to sell, you may be wondering, what home improvements should you do to help maximize the profit on your home sale? Well, let's talk about it. Paint color. Color is one of the most basic and appealing ways to update the home without breaking the bank. When choosing a color to sell in this market, it is always best to go with neutrals. Curb appeal. We all know making that first impression is key. It's all about creating an inviting and visually appealing exterior that captivates everyone passing by. That's why having the exterior of your home updated with lighting, plants, and landscaping, and all of these improvements will help elevate your curb appeal. Ongoing maintenance. Home maintenance and repairs are crucial to ensure the value of the home. If you're unwilling to do the repairs yourself, well then hire a professional. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards, not only while you live there, but also when you go to market. Kitchens and bathrooms. These 2 areas of the home can get costly to renovate very quickly, and they are often the first areas the buyers critique and scrutinize when buying a home. Yet, you do not need to do an extensive renovation and spend tens of thousands of dollars. Research actually shows extensive kitchen remodels typically only bring back about 70 cents for every dollar spent when done for a home sale. Simple updates like painting the cabinets, replacing some fixtures, or updating appliances can add value. Scents. Make sure your home passes the smell test. No one likes a funky smelling home. Make sure your carpets stay clean and maintained, no exterior garbage or anything that may create odors. And call me. I'd love to help guide you through this ever-changing market. And ask me about my home selling plans. I took the pain out of negotiate with a realtor and made it super simple. Really. Choose silver, gold, or platinum. Pick your plan and pick your price. I'm Tanja and I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.